This is how you're going to align the icon with the text on Elementor. When using widgets like the icon box or button, alignment is usually managed through the widget's built-in settings. So first up, you're going to head over to your Elementor website or your Elementor dashboard, and then from here, you're going to select the site that you want to edit. So you can find all sites right here or your hosted sites right here. Now, after that, once you have already selected the website that you want to edit, you're going to first select the widget. You're going to click on the icon box or button widget you are using. Next is you're going to go to Content. In the Content tab, look for the alignment setting. This setting controls the horizontal alignment, which is left, center, or right, of the center content block, including both the icon and the text. Next, you're going to select the icon-specific alignment, which is the icon box. If you're using an icon box widget, you might have separate settings for the icon's position, like stacked, side by side, and in the Style tab, you can often find controls under icon or content to adjust the icon's vertical alignment relative to the text. For example, top, middle, or button or bottom. Next is for the buttons. For the button widget, the icon and the text are automatically aligned. You can control the spacing between them in the Style tab under icon spacing. And that's it. That is how you can align the icon with the text on Elementor. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.